Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about the most important MCQ and PYQ for the NORCET exam and the other exam. Please like, share and subscribe. Let's start. First question. The earliest sign of hypocalcemia is option A, tetany, option B, positive Chauvet-Stick's sign, option C, laryngeal stridor, option D, seizure. The answer is option B, positive Chauvet-Stick sign, because facial twisting after tapping the facial nerve means seventh cranial nerve appears before the tetany. So the answer is option B. Next, in hypovolemic shock, the first IV fluid to administer is option A 5% dextrose, option B normal saline, option C 25% albumin, option D Ringer's lactate. The answer is option D, Ringer's lactate, because Ringer lactate is preferred for the volume resuscitation. So the answer is option D. Next, which drug is contraindicated in asthma patient? Option A salbutamol, option B propranolol, option C theophylline, option D ipratropium. The answer is option B propranolol, because it is a non-selective beta blockers drugs that causes the bronchospasm. So it is contraindicated in the asthma patient. So the answer is option B. Next, which lung sound is heard in pulmonary edema? Option A wheeze, option B fine crackles, option C stridor, option D pleural rub. The answer is option B, fine crackles, because fluid in the alveoli, it sounds like a fine crackles. Next, the antidote for the morphine overdose is option A atropine, option B naloxone, option C flumazenil, option D protamine. The answer is option B, naloxone. Next, which finding indicates left-sided heart failure? Option A pedal edema, option B ascites, option C pulmonary congestion, option D raised the JVP. The answer is option C, pulmonary congestion. Next, in MI, myocardial infarction, the cardiac enzyme that rises fast is option A CKMB, option B troponin I, option C troponin T, option D LDH. The answer is option A CKMB. If CKMB is not there, if myoglobin is the first biomarker to arise, and specific biomarker is troponin I and T, specific biomarker, specific. So the answer is option A. Next, which diet is prescribed in nephrotic syndrome? Option A high protein low sodium, option B low protein high sodium, option C low protein low sodium, option D high carb low fat. The answer is high protein and the low sodium. Option A is the correct answer. Next, which condition causes the Kussmaul's sign rise in the JVP on inspiration? Option A COPD, option B constrictive pericarditis, option C heart failure, option D pulmonary embolism. The answer is option B constrictive pericarditis, because it's impair the right heart filling. So the answer is option B. Next, the antidote for organophosphorus poisoning is option A naloxone, option B atropine plus pralidoxamide, option C flumazenil, option D protamine. The answer is option B atropine plus pralidoxamide. Next, Which vitamin deficiency causes the peripheral neuropathy in isoniazid therapy? Option A, vitamin B1. Option B, vitamin B6. Option C, vitamin B12. Option D, vitamin C. The answer is option B, vitamin B6. Next, which vaccine is given at birth according to the National Immunization Schedule? Option A, BCG OPV0. Hepatitis B. Option B, DPT OPV1 BCG. Option C, measles hepatitis B OPV1. Option D, TT BCG and OPV1. The answer is option A. BCG, OPV0 and hepatitis B are given after the birth. Next, which instrument is used for the measuring intraocular pressure? Option A, ophthalmoscope. Option B, perimeter. Option C, tonometer. Option D, retinoscope. The answer is option C, tonometer. Next, which sign is the most specific for the meningitis? Option A, Carnage sign. Option B, Brudzinski sign. Option C, nasal rigidity. Option D, headache. The answer is option A. Carnage sign is the most specific for the meningitis. So option A is the correct answer. Next, the antidote for the iron toxicity is option A, EDTA. Option B, defuroxamine. Option C, penicillamine. Option D, BAL. The answer is option B. Option B, befuroxamine. Defuroxamine is the antidote for the iron toxicity. Next, which side effect is associated with the aminoglycosides? Option A, nephrotoxicity and ototoxicity. Option B, hepatotoxicity. Option C, bone marrow suppression. Option D, skin rash. The answer is option A, nephrotoxicity and ototoxicity. Next, which diuretic is potassium sparing? Option A, furosemide. Option B, spironolactone. Option C, mannitol. Option D, thiazide. The answer is option B, spironolactone. Next, the antidote for benzodiazepine poisoning is option A, naloxone. Option B, flumazenil. Option C, atropine. Option D, protamine. The answer is option B, flumazenil. Next, which is the earliest sign of increased intracranial pressure? Option A, Cushing triad. Option B, headaches and vomiting. Option C, pupillary dilation. Option D, seizure. The answer is option B, headache and the vomiting is the early sign. Next, in which condition do you see ground glass opacity in the lungs? On the image there is the ARDS image is there. Next, which electrolyte abnormality increases the risk for the digoxin toxicity? Option A, hyperkalemia. Option B, hypokalemia. Option C, hypercalcemia. Option D, hyponatremia. The answer is option B, hypokalemia, because low potassium increases the digoxin binding to sodium and potassium ATPase. So the answer is option B, hypokalemia. Next, which type of hepatitis is most commonly associated with the chronicity? Option A, HAV. Option B, hepatitis B. Option C, hepatitis C, HCV. Option D, HFV. The answer is option C, HCV. Next, the triad of polyuria, polydipsia and polyphagia is diagnostic of option A diabetes insipidus, option B diabetes mellitus, option C SIDA, option D Addison disease. The answer is option B diabetes mellitus. Next, which is the most common cause of maternal mortality in India? Option A hemorrhage, option B sepsis, option C eclampsia, option D obstructed labor. The answer is option A hemorrhage. Next, which stage of the labor is most painful? Option A first stage, option B second, option B latent, option B first stage and active, option C second stage, option D third stage. The answer is option B first stage in active stage. In first stage there is the two step, latent and the active. Active stage is the most painful in the labor. Next, which is the most common cause of neonatal sepsis? Option A E. coli, option B Klebsiella, option C group B Streptococcus, option D Staphylococcus aureus. The answer is option C group B Streptococcus. Next, which congenital heart disease is cyanotic? Option A ASD, option B VSD, option C PDA, option D tetralogy of Fallot. The answer is option D tetralogy of Fallot, because most common cyanotic CHD chronic heart disease. Next, which condition is associated with boot safe heart on X-ray? Option A ASD, option B VSD, option C tetralogy of Fallot, option D PDA. The answer is option C tetralogy of Fallot, because due to the right ventricular hypertrophy. Next, which sign is diagnostic of rheumatic fever? Option A subcutaneous nodules, option B erythema marginatum, option C Sydenham scoria, option D all of the above. The answer is option D all of the above. Next, which drug is used as a prophylaxis for the rheumatic fever? Option A erythromycin, option B benzathine penicillin, option C azithromycin, option D amoxicillin. The answer is option B benzathine penicillin. Thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.